Day 3. Meditation Myths. Listen to the sound of silence. Paul Simon. And again, I would like to remind you to complete Day 2, Meditation Excuses, and your 10-minute guided meditation before viewing this lesson. Meditation Myth. I can't shut up my mind. Today, I want to sort out the number one meditation myth. It's one that stops so many beginners in their tracks. I can't shut up my mind. Maybe you have been told or read that the mind has to become silent in order to learn how to meditate. And because of this belief, so many people give up at this stage. But there's no need to, if you know what's really going on. Here's what typically happens. 1. You sit down to meditate, feeling happy that you remembered or found the time or haven't got the kids or pets jumping over you. 2. You start to get grounded and listen to your meditation audio, feeling that warm glow of stillness inside. 3. But your mind goes crazy, yelling at you about how your right knee hurts, or the world will stop turning unless you add such and such to your to-do list right now, or reminding you of the 15 things you have to do in the next hour and how you don't have time to waste 10 minutes. 4. You give up and go back to your to-do list, feeling irritable or worse. I know how that feels. I have been there. Back in the 1980s, when I was first learning about meditation, my mind knew how to play every game it could imagine to distract me from connecting with that stillness inside. But it's okay. Just let the mind wander. There's no need to join in with your mind's drama, or to fight it, or to try to get rid of your thoughts. Acceptance is one of the keys to meditation. And that goes for your mind's internal dialogue also. Don't fight those thoughts. Allow yourself to accept them and let them drift on past. That is why I strongly encourage my students to listen to the guided meditation audios when they're starting out on their meditation journey, so that my voice can guide them through, bringing them gently back to their meditation if their mind wanders off. Here's the thing. Meditation is a gradual process that will progressively enable you to reclaim the power of choice over your thoughts. But this process will take time. All you need to do is be consistent. It takes time and practice, but even 10 minutes a day can help you to calm your mind, slowing down your thoughts, and even support you to learn how to choose which thoughts to feed into the subconscious. And you will feel the difference surprisingly quickly. Bonus affirmation. I have a bonus affirmation for you to try. This is an affirmation for controlling your thoughts during meditation. If you have not used an affirmation before, they can be a wonderful way to redirect your mind's focus and even create permanent change in your life. And the thing about affirmations is that the more you use them, the more they affect your life. Use the affirmation when you are meditating and stray thoughts keep popping into the mind, or maybe you are having trouble concentrating. By repeating this affirmation, you will be amazed at how quickly your mind stops trying to interrupt your meditation. Controlling your thoughts during meditation affirmation. My thoughts are not my own. By intellect alone, I fail. Now sitting comfortably for your 10-minute guided meditation, and you can try this affirmation if your internal dialogue becomes too distracting. take a nice, deep letting go breath. Notice that you are already beginning to relax both mind and body. Go ahead and do this a few times, and when you exhale, actually think the word relax in your mind, so that you are giving yourself permission to relax right now. Now, if you haven't already, close your eyes. Very good. Now begin to feel a soothing, relaxing sensation on the top of your head. Feel that sensation moving down to relax your forehead, soothing away any tension. Then feel the relaxation moving down into your jaw, all the way down, and letting it hang loose and slack. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more. Feel your tongue relaxing. Feel the soothing relaxation moving down into your shoulders. Mentally saying to yourself, I am relaxing more and more, going deeper and deeper into relaxation. And then moving down into the arms, relaxing the arms and moving all the way through to the fingertips. Feel the relaxing sensation and saying to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxing. Now feel the relaxing sensation moving into the torso, repeating to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. And then down into your legs, relaxing and flowing down all the way out through the bottoms of the feet. Very good now. Feel the relaxing sensation flowing through your body and saying to yourself mentally, I am going deeper and deeper, becoming more and more relaxed. Go ahead now and begin to imagine that you are standing on the top of a set of stairs, a staircase that is perfect for you and has 10 steps. And at the bottom of the staircase is waiting a peaceful and calming place. A perfect place for you where deep relaxation and healing is possible. Imagine stepping down now from the 10th step down to the 9th. Already you are getting closer to your place of peace. And with each and every decreasing number, you easily and effortlessly double your relaxation. 9 stepping down to 8. 7. The deeper you go, the better you feel. Stepping down to 6. The better you feel, the deeper you go. 5. Relaxing all the way down now. Repeat to yourself mentally, deeper and deeper, more and more relaxed. 4. Keep going, you are almost there. 3. Getting ready to enter into your place of peace and relaxation. A place where deep relaxation and healing is possible. 2 and 1. Be there now and notice the details in your place of peace and relaxation. Notice the colors. Notice the sounds. Notice the pleasant smells. Notice how things feel when you touch them in your place of peace. Excellent work. Now imagine that a bright, healing light shines down upon you. This light can be any color you find healing, shining on you like a heavenly spotlight. This bright, healing light shines down upon you and melts away any stress in your body. It melts it away and completely evaporates tension. This bright, healing light shining down upon you flows in and through you, melting, dissolving, and evaporating any fears you might have, completely melting them away. This bright, healing light shines down upon you, melting away and evaporating any anger you might be holding on to. It cleanses everything and anything which is no longer serving you, cleaning up the energy around your body, cleaning your aura, and cleaning the inside of your body. This bright, healing light flows down into the top of your head, going all the way through your body and out through the bottoms of your feet. And the bright, healing light cleans away and dissolves any pain or illness in your stomach, evaporating any fears or tensions or stress or anxiety in your stomach, melting it away now and evaporating it completely. And as the healing light moves in and around your heart, it cleanses and heals everything in and around your heart. Feel this light now moving into your throat, cleansing and healing everything and anything in your throat, so that when you speak, your words now reflect your highest self, removing any harsh or painful words that you don't mean to say. Feel it swirling around and moving into your brain as it cleanses and heals every single part of your brain, every single neuron in your brain, and every fiber of your mind are cleansed by this bright, healing light, dissolving and evaporating any stress, worries, fears, angers, anything and everything you are ready to let go of now. And now that you are so clean and clear, repeat in your mind along with me, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. With a smile on your face, I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. I am clean. I am clear. I am lighter. I am free. And notice this bright, healing light within you and all around you has become you. And imagine as you journey into the world today, as you walk through life today, that you are bringing your bright, healing light with you. And everyone you meet today, everyone you speak to, absorbs some of your bright, healing light, and you have an infinite amount to give, so that everyone you interact with today also feels some of the peace you feel now. And imagine, as you go out into the world with your bright, healing light, you are beginning a revolution. Taking another nice, deep, letting go breath with a smile on your face. Open your eyes and know that you are looking forward to bringing your light out into the world. Thank you for listening, and remember, the more you listen to this recording, the deeper it will take you, and the longer the effects will last. Let us know how you got on with today. Did your mind try to distract you during the meditation session? Did you use the affirmation, or do you have your own strategy? I'd love to hear from you. Your thoughts are important, not only to me, but also for other students. So leave a comment in the Q&A section below and share your journey.